Before we start, don't do anything. You don't have to relax. You don't have to focus. Just stay here for a minute. These tracks aren't used anymore, but they're still here. Let's continue noticing what's still here. At first, it's mostly just two rails, some old wood, some gravel. But then you start to notice little things between them. You may notice some grass, some loose leaves, maybe a few weeds growing between the ties. Maybe things you wouldn't notice if you were moving any faster. The rails are still almost perfectly straight. Almost everything around them, not so much. Branches occasionally lean in towards the viewer. Some plants, they grow wherever they find room. Some of the ties are slowly disappearing underneath it all. For a moment, we notice what's close. The wood, the rust, the rocks underneath our feet, and whatever happens to be moving down there. Now look farther ahead. It's the same two rails, again and again, until somewhere up there, they almost disappear into the trees. And we've been following the same tracks this whole time, but the view keeps changing. A little more light here, a little more green there. And maybe there's more happening along these tracks than it seemed like there was a few minutes ago. Not because anything's changed. We just stayed long enough to notice it. Let's stay here for a moment. Just listen. For 5 minutes, we simply observed. Wake up.